Hi, I'm Ernest from Port A Sensational Summer, and today I'm going to show you how to make a 3-tier bird feeder. So, to begin with, you're going to need your 3 pre-cut bowls, your 2 lengths of 6-foot ribbon, your pre-cut straws that come in the box, some coloring utensils to color the bird feeder, and your Scotch tape. To start off, you're going to want to color the bowls.
Okay.
Once we're finished coloring, we're going to tape the ribbon to the bowls. So now you line up the ribbon over the holes, then you tape down in a cross section like this. Once the ribbon's taped down, you're going to want to run the ribbon through the hole on each side. Next, you're going to want to take the ribbon and run it through the short straws all the way to the bowl. Once that's done, you run the ribbon through the holes of the second bowl. Now, we're going to do the same thing as before and run the ribbon through the remaining straws. Now we put on the last remaining bowl, however, this one you put on upside down. Next, you take a piece of tape, even out your bird feeder, and tape the ribbon together. Now, we just head outside and tie the bird feeder to a tree. Lastly, now we just add the bird seed. Sit back and watch the birds come to you. Well, I hope you had as much fun as I did making this 3-tier bird feeder. If you'd like to take a picture and show us on Facebook, tag it with the hashtag Camp Marlin. Thank you.